how to get $35 promo code on Domino's. So let's get started. First thing first, open the web browser and in search address bar, search for the Domino's promo code and press enter. Once you press enter, you'll get to see a long list of websites option available there. Tap on the tops one because they are more trustworthy and the valid ones. After you tap on it, you'll get to see a long list of offers available. Now go through the offers and tap on the any offer that match your interest because some of them have some terms or conditions as well. Now once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to a valid code. Use it according to the instructions provided. Typically, you'll have to enter this code at the checkout on Domino's online store. First thing first, open the web browser and in search address bar. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.